In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a WMS layer to your favourites so you can access it really quickly and easily in all of your Flood Modeller projects. Initially, we want to open the online web services window and navigate to the layer of interest. Please watch our video on how to add a WMS layer to your project if you need a reminder of how to do this. A link to this video is provided in the description below. So to add a layer to my favourites, in the online web services window, I'll click on the layer that I'm interested in, then right click and select Add to Favourites. And we can see that this star icon has been added to the left-hand side to show that it has been added to my favourites. I can do this for multiple layers. And if I change my mind, I can simply right click again and select Remove from Favourites. When I'm happy with my selection, I'll click Close. Now, every time I start a new project, I'll simply go to the Home tab, and in the Mapping section over on the far right, I'll click on this drop down below the Online Services icon, and my favourites are all listed. I can then select the favourite I want to add, and this adds it to my map view. This layer can be removed from my map and from my project, and I can also change the transparency. Again, all of this is explained in the video, how to add a WMS layer to your project. So please go ahead and watch that video too to find out about all of these options. Thank you for watching this tutorial video on how to add a WMS layer to your favourites. For further information, please visit www.floodmodeller.com.